We live in a disposable culture, littered with single-use products. Wet wipes are being bought, used and flushed into the depths of our sewers. But we do see the problems they cause. They flood our homes, pollute our waters, and harm our precious wildlife. And when the wipes include plastics, the damage is even greater. At Welsh Water, we face a constant struggle. Hour by hour, day by day, we work to clear blockages to keep the sewers flowing and our water clean. If we all use less, if we stop using our toilets as bins, and avoid buying wipes that contain plastics, we can protect our environment. Together, these little changes will make a big difference.